We are here to talk about our recently completed Khatri Chowk house. As the name suggests, it's located at Khatri Chowk in Bhuj. At the Khatri Chowk, there is this narrow street which connects to the Chowk to the wider street on the eastern side. Our house is located at the junction of this narrow street and the eastern street. So this particular plot was owned by our client and his brother, which was then divided into two parts, and our client got part on the south side, which is only 113 square yard. This triangular plot has north on the upside, street on the east and the south side, and ground plus 2 on the western side. And on the north side, brother will build his house in the future. So in terms of light and ventilation, we had only south and the east side accessible. The north and the west were completely blocked. Clients are family of 6 and they wanted a house with 4 bedrooms. They are into the business of bondage, and since the house is located centrally, so they also wanted a shop within the house. So one enters into the veranda here through the main wider street. This veranda has 2 entrances, one which goes to the shop and the other to the main house. Through the main door, one enters into this open living and dining space. Interiors we have kept minimal with tones of greys and brown. The living room has TV unit panel as the main element. This panel with the wooden strips goes into the double height cutout, which acts as a connecting element from the first floor to the ground floor. In the dining area, they have practice of eating on the duster, so we haven't provided a dining table. But for the elderly guests, we have this foldable table which disappears in the paneling otherwise. In this open living and dining space, we have tucked in a staircase on the southern side. This staircase allows us to have a privacy from the narrow street that is on the southern side here. It also has 2 vertical windows which gets a lot of natural light into this open living and dining area. In the remaining part, we have introduced a courtyard. This courtyard has a kitchen on the southern side which overlooks into the street. And on the other side, we have a larger window into the courtyard. On the other side of the courtyard, we have a bedroom here. And we have designed the toilet in a way that it takes the acute angle of the plot. So if you look at all the rooms, including the bedroom, kitchen, living and the shop, they are all in a rectangular shape, and only few angles you can see that are affected by the site. So on the first floor, you reach here through the staircase, and we have an open space here. On the first floor, we have introduced a smaller courtyard on the northern side, which allows us to get light into this open space, and it also gets light for the 2 bedrooms on the 2 sides. Between this courtyard and the open space, we have done a cutout in the slab which connects the ground floor and the first floor, so one can overlook from the above to the downstairs. On the front side, we have a master bedroom with its own walk-in closet and a toilet space. It also has a curvilinear balcony which acts as a roof for the veranda below. So this master bedroom gets a cross ventilation from the smaller courtyard and through the larger window on the balcony. On the other side, we have a bedroom which is similar to the ground floor with the toilet in an angular shape. And above the kitchen we have a multi-purpose space which can act as a prayer room, as a guest room also. In this room we have provided a double door. Once it's open up, so this combined space can be also used for opening of saris. On the second floor, we have provided this large cutout next to the staircase, which enables one on the second floor to connect on the first floor in that open space. On the second floor, essentially we have a one bedroom. Which is above the master bedroom of the first floor with its toilet on the eastern side. And we have this beautiful balcony with the expansive view of the BHUDIA hill. On the back side we have two terraces which acts as a utility area also. On the other side we have a smaller terrace with staircase which leads to the upper terrace. Looking at the exteriors, we have relatively flat surface on the narrow street, but at the junction we have really interesting play of the volumes. We have one volume with shop and the master bedroom, this curved balcony with two circular columns, this semi-covered terrace at the second floor bedroom, and this curved cantilever slab at the second floor, which completes the overall form. Overall, I can say that if we design thoughtfully, then we can achieve a lot in this kind of a smaller and oddly shaped plot.